and good, because that's what Christmas is all about. And the love of Christ we cannot live without, but we're making more weapons and growing less food.
Kata won't finish me for this kind Boxing Day. There's no Christmas. No Christmas that I don't have kata. Last year, year before last, don't mention. Now, wow.
So the world is hungry. We're not taking
For us, this is maybe unboxed.
So the earth is angry.
Wow.
You have the same as me now.
Bring it out, Bessie. Bring it out. Whoa! Okay, next is Tutu. Bessie, what's Tutu having there? Come on, keep going, keep going, keep going. Wow.
We must live together.
Okay, so this is for both of you. Santa said this cookie is for both of you. Is it your name? Check. Don't take the one that's not your own. Oh, this is Mirabel. Okay, let's see what Mirabel's own. One after the other. Let's check Mirabel's own first. Yeah, go ahead, baby. So what are you going to say to Santa? Baby, what are you going to say to Santa?
Thank you.
Okay, now let's see what is Chuchu's own.
I have a baby.
Now you have a baby, you're going to do makeup on.
Not on daddy anymore.
No more makeup on daddy's face anymore.
What, another cookie?
Oh, this for Carrie.
What's in there?
I got another cookie.
Oh, Carrie.
And donuts, yummy
Why don't you go for another gift? I'll keep this for you. Check if you still have your name.
Check for your name. Check for your name.
This one is my name. Oh yeah.
Okay, let's see. Let's see what's in there for Carrie. Maybe hold on, you check for your name also. Let's see what's in there for Carrie.
The white box.
The white box.
Whoa!
Ooh.
Helmet.
Yeah.
So why do you have helmets? Where are you going to use that on?
Is it not my scooter, my own?
Do you have your old scooter? Oh my god.
Okay. Okay. Now check for your
I'm
name.
also gonna use it for my bicycle.
Alright.
Check if it's your name.
Because
Check if it's your name. Is that your name?
no, it's
Okay.
my
It's not
name.
your name. This is Carrie. Give it to Carrie.
Okay, give it to me. Oh,
Check for your name.
I think
Is that your name?
yes.
No, that's not your name. That's
Okay.
Carrie.
Still my
Put it
name.
here. Put it here. Check for your
Why is
name.
it still my name?
Oh, that's for Mirabel.
Good girl.
Okay. Let's see what's inside baby's own first.
Okay. What is that? What the heck is that? Oh my god. Cookie. No, that's not a cookie. That's not a cookie.
Oh, that seems like Paw Patrol. Is that Paw Patrol?
No, it's not Paw Patrol either.
So what is this?
Look at it, Daddy. Look at it very well. It's a pencil set.
Oh, it's a pen.
So it's a
Oh,
pencil set.
oh, a pencil set. Okay, that's nice.
Let's see what's inside.
Okay,
Why?
let's
Can
see
we
what.
see what the pencil set is? is all about.
Let's see what's in Carrie's own.
No, hang on.
Hold on.
Let's see what's inside here.
Inside.
Yeah, let's see what it looks like.
Okay. Oh, it looks like that. So this is the. There's the pencil. Whoa! It's a silly pencil.
Yes, I think that's supposed to go in.
And I found something else. Oh! What's this? Oh, the shape.
What's this one in there? Let's see what's in there.
It's the shape.
I think it's just to play stuff.
It's the shapes, of course. It has to be
What's
the
inside?
shapes. I knew it would be the shapes. I knew it.
Oh,
I
you're
believe
right.
the shapes.
Oh, yes.
You
She was right.
Oh, you're right, Choo.
I knew it was going to be the shapes.
Don't throw them on the floor like that.
Okay. Choo is next.
Yeah, look my baby. I got another baby as well.
You got a baby.
A baby now. It has a bottle. I like it. I think it's a baby.
Oh.
It's a kitten. Give me the bed. What is
Okay.
that?
Let's go next.
Oh, there's my. Oh!
There's something written on this. What's yeah, read it. To carry
Carry
from.
bag.
Go ahead. Yes, say it.
I can't read
Big
it.
Mommy. Okay, that's from carry
That
to
word is mommy.
Big Mommy.
Mommy.
Okay.
Big mommy.
So let's see what Big Mommy got for you.
Ooh.
So Big Mommy called Santa and gave Santa your gift.
What?
Hold
How
on.
did Big Mommy get to Santa?
We're going to ask Big Mommy that, but let's see what's in there. Go ahead.
So let's see, baby. See that? What? It's a new iPhone.
Are you serious? Big Mommy got your phone?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Mommy, look at this.
Oh, wow.
It's a
Wow.
new iPhone.
Wow. Wow.
Mimi, look. A new iPhone.
So what am I supposed to say to Big Mommy?
Thank you.
Yeah, look at the camera and say thank you, Big Mommy.
Thank you, Big Mommy.
Okay, let's see what's here. This is Mimi's own also. It's saying from Big Mommy. Okay, Mimi, open. Let's see what Big Mommy got
It's
for
an
you.
iPhone.
You hope it's an iPhone too?
Yeah.
Let's hope so.
It's an iPhone.
Oh, show it to the camera. Let's see. Oh, wow, Big Mommy got you a phone.
I think because
So-
we don't touch your phone again.
Yes, that's true. Don't touch my phone anymore.
Yeah.
Mimi, what am I supposed to say to Big Mommy?
Thank you. What
Okay.
did we do our
Okay, later we're going to open the phone and charge it for you girls, okay?
Okay.
Let's see.
Let's skip it.
Give it to Mommy. So, let's go. Next. Check whose name is there. Lots of gifts.
I think this is
Don't let it fall.
Oh, that's scary. Okay.
My own is very big.
Who is that?
Mommy.
Oh, I got a gift.
Oh, let's see
Santa.
Mommy's gift. Let's see what Mommy have.
Let me see what
So, Santa got a gift for
Here you
Mommy.
go, Mimi. Mimi, I found your own.
Oh no, come on,
Come on, you have
Mimi.
lots of gifts, Mimi.
Mimi, I found your own.
Come on, Mimi.
Mimi, get your own.
Go get her, go get her.
Oh, it's purple.
Oh, really? How do you know what, Tutu? Are you Santa?
It says purple color.
Oh, purple color.
It didn't say what it is.
I'm just excited.
Okay.
Yeah, I am as well.
It's just like
I'm unboxing it. Eat.
How do I know what it is?
What do you think it is?
I don't know.
I'm gonna open everything.
Ah! How do I know what it is? What is on top of it?
Where do I open some? It's a perfume.
Pepper!
Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Thank you.
Okay, now let's see what's Mimi's
It's
on.
from Santa.
Yeah.
Oh, go Mimi. Go Mimi.
Oh my god, she got Lego! Oh my god! Lego for baby! Oh my god! Lego for baby everywhere! I come to Lego!
You got a Lego.
Yeah! You can also build ice cream with the Lego.
Okay. Let's see what's in Tutu's own.
Mine
Go,
is very
Tutu.
big. So I have to open the tape. Yeah.
Go, Tutu.
Like Lego. Oh. Don't think I can open the tape. This is a baby nut. This is a baby nut. Something black. Ah.
Let me help.
This I got it. Wow. The brown thing. I'm so excited. It's a sister. It's a sister.
Oh, baby got a sister.
It's a bounty. What? I have clothes.
Okay, can you bring it out? Let's see.
I think I have to do this. Look
wait,
at
let me
Hello, my baby. I only have clothes. Why does Santa bring this for me?
Don't like it.
No.
Wow.
Santa brought you
Oh, it's beautiful.
But why did Santa bring all those clothes?
So that you can wear
you can
them
wear to
to the party.
Okay.
Okay, alright. Let's go next. Come on.
Okay.
Who's next? Is that your name?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's my name? Mimi.
Maybe check this. Oh, that's your name. Good. Okay.
Let's go home. Mimi first.
Mimi first.
This is the best thing. Wait, what's my baby now? The baby right there. What's it over there? Hello, baby.
Baby's smiling.
Go, Mimi. Go, Mimi. Go, Mimi.
Oh, cool.
Oh, cookies for you.
Cookies and donuts. Donuts. Cookies. Yeah, we got the same as me. Cookies.
Okay. Let's see what's in there, Choo-choo.
Okay. I hope it's not cookies because. Whoa! Look at! Oh! It's this game.
Oh, it's a game box.
Yeah, it's that game that I love to play. A movie cup! This is gonna be so much fun game.
Yeah, so much fun.
It's a fun game. How does that know?
Oh, don't you?
Thank you, Tata, for my gift.
Okay.
Thank Look at.
Alright, so that's nice. Give it to mommy.
I'll keep it for you.
Okay. Whose name is that?
That's my name.
Okay, let's see.
For you.
Whose name is this? That is Messi. Oh, that's Miriam and Kerry. That's for Mimi and Kerry. So let's see what's in there. Together, unboxed together.
Chocolate.
Oh, chocolate.
I like chocolate.
Ooh. Okay, give it to mommy. Lots of chocolate for the Christmas.
Yeah, and also for you guys.
All right. Thank you. Okay, open Chuchu. Let's see what's in here.
Okay. Yes, I am a baby. I think I'm going to stop. No. Look at this. Oh, baby, you will know it, boy. It's xylophone.
What's it called?
A xylophone. I
Okay.
think it's called a silence phone.
Yes, you're right.
That's your phone.
I think we don't have one.
That's your phone. That's your phone.
Okay. It's something special. Oh, I love it. I love it, Mommy.
Okay.
Whoa.
Give it to mommy to keep for you.
Something is stuck.
Okay. Give it to mommy to keep.
It's amazing.
Wow. Okay, whose name is that? That's it.
Whoa.
Oh, the big one. Carry. Okay, put it down.
Whoa.
Oh, it's heavy. Wait, let's see. No name.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
I
really
think this is for
big.
daddy. Because it's very big.
Look.
Oh no, it's for Mirabel.
Maybe that's the big one.
Whoa. Okay, let's go.
Whoa, this is going to be very big for Mimi.
Yes.
It's very heavy. Whoa. Mine's medium heavy.
Okay, unbox the big one.
Mimi, you first. Let me help because I think this is heavy.
Yes.
I think I'm going to stop
Just see anywhere.
I think I did. What is a heavy box? It's a I think I see the bicycle.
Are you sure?
Yes! Yes, I'm sure. And my own must be a scooter. Must be a scooter.
Oh.
I see from here the bicycle.
Really? Let's see. Come on. So you asked Santa for a bicycle.
Look at here.
A brand new bike for Mimi from Santa.
Okay, try this.
Woo, 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 woo.
Now that's okay.
Wow. It's a bicycle. Amen. Ooh. Wow, Mimi got a new bicycle.
Let's check out mine.
Okay, let's see what's in Tutu's own.
Well, I hope it's a scooter because.
I don't know. You told Santa you want a scooter?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if Santa was able to deliver a scooter for you. I just hope Santa
I need help.
sent you a scooter also.
Enough!
What's
The
this?
bicycle! No, that's the scooter. A transforming scooter.
Are you serious?
How do you mean a transforming scooter? What is that?
It transforms. Look, it says yeah. It says yeah. It's transforming scooter. It's a unicorn one.
A unicorn scooter?
Yeah!
Wow.
Excited.
It's a brand new unicorn scooter.
Let's see.
Daddy, no more presents.
Oh, no more. Lots of presents. Wow.
I made a unicorn one.
Wow.
It's so funny. Even has unicorn there.
Wow.
Look at this toy unicorn. Oh, it's so
Wow.
cute. Let me get the box. I got my very own unicorn.
Okay. What are you guys supposed to say to Santa?
Thank you.
Yeah, look at the camera and say thank you, Santa.
Thank you.
Then look at the camera and say thank you, Big Mommy.
Thank you, Big Mommy.
Look at the camera and say thank you, Mommy and Daddy.
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy.
Okay, now say Happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas.
We love you.
I love you.
Bye. Look at the camera and wave. Say bye.
Bye.